Hey everyone! Today we're diving into every Kenmore refrigerator error code and how to fix them. Let's get your fridge working properly again with these proven solutions. Starting with the most common, RFS. This means there's a problem with the frost sensor. Quick fix: unplug the fridge for 5 minutes. If it returns, check for ice buildup in the freezer section. Showing up? That's an ice maker fault. First, check if the water line is frozen. Make sure water supply is turned on fully. If everything looks good, try forcing a defrost cycle by pressing the freezer and refrigerator buttons for 5 seconds. Seeing a CF? This indicates a cooling fan problem. Listen for any unusual noises. Check if anything's blocking the fan in the freezer. Sometimes it's just ice buildup preventing fan movement. CF error means there's a problem with the door seal. Check both doors for any visible damage to the gaskets. Clean the seals with warm water and mild soap. Make sure nothing's preventing proper door closure. Got an opus error? Don't worry, it just means a door's been left open too long. Check if anything's blocking the door sensors. Clean the door switch contact points with a dry cloth. A CO is a communication error. The fix: complete power reset. Unplug for 10 minutes, then plug back in. If it persists, press and hold both temperature buttons for 8 seconds to reset the control board. A CE showing up? That's a control board error. Try the power reset first. If it comes back, check if the display board is properly connected. Sometimes it just needs reseating. Temperature errors like H or L mean the compartment is too hot or cold. First, make sure the temperature settings are correct. Check if the doors have been opened frequently. Give it 24 hours to stabilize after adjusting. A DF means there's a defrost failure. Run a manual defrost cycle. If that doesn't work, check the defrost heater and thermostat connections. Seeing random numbers or symbols? Do a full system reset. Unplug for 15 minutes, then press and hold the alarm reset button while plugging back in. RF indicates a refrigerator fan issue. Listen for unusual noises. Check if anything's blocking air circulation between fridge and freezer compartments. SE or senior errors point to sensor problems. These usually need professional attention, but try a power reset first. It sometimes recalibrates the sensors. 88 showing on display? That's actually a self-test mode. Press any button to exit or unplug briefly to reset. Here's what to do when troubleshooting any error code. First, document when it appears. Then unplug the unit for at least 10 minutes. While it's unplugged, check for any obvious blockages and verify all temperature settings are correct. Test the door seals and listen for unusual sounds when you plug it back in. To prevent future errors, clean those door gaskets monthly and keep all air vents clear. Don't overload the fridge and check your temperature settings regularly. Those condenser coils need cleaning every 6 months too. For maintenance, replace water filters every 6 months and check ice maker lines for kinks. Keep those drain holes clear and monitor door alignment. Regular cleaning of air vents monthly makes a huge difference. If you smell burning or hear unusual sounds, unplug immediately and call for service. This is crucial for your safety. For persistent error codes, note when they occur and what you are doing. This helps identify patterns that might point to the root cause. For ice maker problems, always check water pressure and look for frozen lines. Verify your filter is installed correctly and keep those ice maker components clean. Testing the water valve operation can save you a service call. For temperature issues, the default setting should be 37 degrees Fahrenheit for the fridge and 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer. Always allow 24 hours after any changes before worrying. Keep those doors closed as much as possible and avoid putting hot food directly in the fridge. That covers every Kenmore refrigerator error code. Remember, these fixes work for most Kenmore models, but some newer smart fridges might have additional codes. If you're still having issues after trying these solutions, it might be time for professional service. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more appliance repair guides and leave any questions in the comments below. Good luck with your repairs.